In this video, we will teach you how to install Govee Glide Hexagon Pro light panels. In the packaging, you will find 10 Hexagon Pro light panels, 9 linking cables, 1 control box, a power adapter, user manual, quick start guide, and a mini level. First, plug the control box and power adapter into power and pair Glide Hexagon Pro with the app. Connect the control box to each panel's power in port, labeled with a triangle symbol, to make sure all the panels are working properly. Next, design your layout on the canvas in the app. You can also choose from a variety of recommended designs. Before installing the panels, wipe the wall's surface with a clean, dry cloth. Plug the powered control box into the first panel's power in port. Now pick up a linking cable and plug the end with no triangle into a numbered slot as indicated in the app. For example, with our design here, we're going to plug into port number 5 and then direct the linking cable through slot number 4. Remove the covering from the back adhesive tape. Place the mini level on the panel and make sure the direction of the green diamond on the face of the panel stays the same as that indicated in the app. Press the panel against the wall for 30 seconds. Click Next Panel in the app to continue installation. Plug a new linking cable into the numbered port and slot of the second panel as indicated by the app. Plug the end of the linking cable from the first panel into the second panel's power in port. Repeat this process for the rest of the panels until your design is fully installed on the wall. If you want to remove the panels from the wall, pull away each panel from its back mounting bracket. Disconnect the linking cable and then pull the adhesive tab to safely remove the bracket. We truly hope you enjoy Govee Glide Hexagon Pro light panels.